All right, guys, what's going on? It's nice and rainy. All right, who remembers this piece of shit unit? Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to say that. But anyways, who remembers this dinosaur right here? Found out it's from 1987. This garbage. Anyways, we're here because now they don't want to replace it. And it's been tripping the rollout. All right, so I'm here to replace that rollout switch. I inspected the heat exchanger, it's good. Everything else is okay, but I don't know. You know, we're still talking to the people, see if they want to change it at some point, but for now, everything's off. It's off at the thermostat, I made sure. I was here yesterday as well because it was tripping the rollout. So, we'll get to it. Let's get this opened up and start disconnecting and swapping some things out, yeah? Awesome. Thanks for rocking and rolling, dudes. Let's get it. All right, guys, so there's the rollout. Like I said, it's kind of raining out here. There's a rollout right there. You see that? It's a resettable too. Huh. It is not tripped. Anyways, before we do anything, it's not tripped though. You know? Wow, okay, well that's good. Something else, I guess. That's the new motor I installed. Right? That's the new exhaust douche draft with the centrifugal switch. Anyways, I'm gonna make this thing call for heat because it's not a rollout switch, I guess, right? So I'm gonna just restart it and see what's going on with this, because I was told it was the rollout, but I guess it's not. So, okay, let me go downstairs, or I could just jump it. We'll try to jump it out here. Let me see. Let me see if I can. It's on. That's not doing anything. And there's the panel. Another panel. Remember that? Change this shit. I wonder when this thing was written. There's another one right there. Okay. And come on. So, look at that. Look at that. I doubt we're gonna get any connection on these. Looking rusty. But I'm gonna try. Alright, hold on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump out our W right there, W1, and R, which is all the way back there. Hold on. Right. Ah, damn it. I hate these things. There we go. Just a little bit. Perfect. And R terminal right there. You heard that? You heard that? That's our contactor. Hold on. There it goes. Saw that? Wow. It's because it's so windy over here. So, I'm not sure why they called. You know? They said the rollout was tripped, but it's not tripped. You know? When I pressed it, I didn't hear any clicking or anything. So, yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. You know? The limit. Yeah. That's what's going on. That ain't much. Anyways, if I find anything else, I'll let you guys know, yeah? But for now, we might just, since I got the part, I might just change them anyway. You know? That's the guy down here. See? The flames look good too, right? So, touched it, but maybe it was. I'm not sure. Fruits look okay. This is very windy out here, so that wind sometimes affect our flames, yeah? Alright. Alright guys, well I'm gonna set this phone down, turn that off, switch him out, and go from that. Could be user error, how about that? Or maybe the thermostat is not good? Huh? Because I did find it off at the thermostat. So, we'll inspect that thermostat too. Alright? Let's get it. Alright guys, so I went downstairs and made a call for heat at the thermostat. See how I took my jumpers out? They're no longer there. Just to check. I did talk to the guy. He said this morning it was blowing out cold air, but when I got here it was set to 50 and the unit was off. So I don't know what to think anymore. Could be user error, you know. I don't know, but this is pretty much what I'm dealing with right now. You know, we thought it was the rollout, you know, that's why I got the part today, but because yesterday tripped the rollout because I think this little copper wire there was too close to the burner, so I moved it back a little bit yesterday, you know, so that seemed to have worked out like that. But you know, other than that, everything seems fine over here. So we're waiting to get that quote accepted so we could replace this whole unit, because you know, by this time they're just wasting all their money on service calls when they could have just been replace this and, you know, call it a day. Anyways, thank you for rocking and rolling, guys. If anything comes up, I'll let you know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate the support, appreciate the love, the comments. You guys are awesome. Thank you. All right, I'm out.